Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to an external speaker on your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to become particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV and have connected a new speaker like this one right over here, and you want to go ahead and start using this new speaker here. How do you actually go ahead and switch to an external speaker on your Samsung Smart TV? Now the way to do this is that you first want to grab your Samsung Smart TV remote. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way to the left to where it says settings. Now from here, you want to click on sound and then click on sound output. So here is where you're going to see all the different audio devices that are connected to your TV. So you have, of course, the TV speaker, and then you have my external receiver HDMI sound right over here. If you see really closely, there's like green wave bar lengths. That indicates that that's the audio device that is currently playing sound. So if I switch it to my TV speaker, it's now playing the original TV sound speaker. But if I switch it to my external speaker, which is this one here, that is how to switch to an external speaker output on your Samsung Smart TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch to an external speaker output on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.